Her favorite pastime is her passion for fashion. Past tense because the dream to become a designer is behind her. Some solely console the lonely when upset with them to mend a broken heart. She'll slowly start to sketch again. The Michael Kors bag was filled with pencils and paper. She drew in the nail salon as I thought I'll eventually date her. Will she associate her artwork with the pain I bring? My fear of commitment is why we remain a fling. Low self-esteem, high maintenance. She'll try my patience while waiting for me to give it the world. My lies and false word has been delivered to girls. Still they live for the silver and pearls. Though the gold in American apparel is what she deserves, but she's embarrassed and careful. She finds inner peace when she occupies her mind. Mama taught her about her quarter life, marry a man who could provide.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and this is kae'swae. If you're new here, I know our background's a little weird. It's because I'm doing a video I've never done before. I'm doing a hair review. What's on my head? A wig. So this hair looks just like my natural hair and I love it, so I wanted to do a review. I did not like this wig when I first put it on my head. There will be like inserts of clips from my phone of when I just took it out the package, which I liked it then. This is what it looks like right out of the package. I'm not getting my camera for this, so we'll just do it on my phone. And the lace is not too bad. Here needs to be plucked and some makeup needs to be put on it, but since it's curly hair, it doesn't really matter. It's not that crazy. I'm feeling this though. I wish my hair would get this big. Then I put it on my head and the first time and I was like, baby, no. Now I feel like this is a great wig if you're willing to actually make the adjustments to it. I am not one of those people who like to do that. I don't bleach knots, baby girl. I don't want to pluck anything. I will if I have to, but not really that person. Plucking's just not for me. Like, I don't want to pluck the part. The most you will get out of me is putting the makeup on the on the lace, and that's it. So I hated that. Then baby girl decided, like, let me put a whole bunch of gel on this, like I would put a whole bunch of gel on my own hair. But this hair doesn't need that. It's a little wet right now, but it doesn't need that, so my hair's not crunchy and disgusting and whatever. So maybe I should stop putting so much gel on my regular hair. Anyway, this is a review about this hair. I got it on Amazon and I'm about to go into my Amazon purchases, and I'll tell you where it's from. Okay, so this is from Miss Sunlight on Amazon, and it's called Miss Sunlight Store. This is the Afro Lace Front Wig Human Hair Kinky Curly Wet and Wavy Brazilian Virgin 3x4 Lace Frontal Wig Pre-Pluck with baby hair around 9A grade, 150 density, 18 inches, natural color. I don't know why Amazon does this to us, but that's the name of the wig. I got it in 18 inches and it's an Afro Kinky texture, as you can see. So it does mimic maybe 4B hair, 4A, 4B. I don't know. It's a 4 texture. I love it. It's super bouncy, as you can see. Stiff wear, baby girl. I mean, like, I don't have a whole bunch of gel in it. Let's see, what do people usually ask about wigs? Shedding, pretty light. This is not the 18 inches. I cut this actually a good amount to make it as natural as possible. So this is not how it was. It was a bit longer, especially now that I've like elongated it, washed it a few times. I washed it like twice. I've worn it a few times. It's holding up great. I actually made holes in the lace and you can't even tell. That's how nice it looks on. It's not a plop it on your head type of wig. You do need to work with it. Honestly, right now I still would want to work on this wig and like pluck here because there's a lot of hair. It's really dense in the front It's really dense all over. Honestly, I ended up cutting a lot of it, not just because of length, but because it was so dense and I wanted it to like not be this big. Poof. What else do people like to hear about wigs? It didn't have a foul odor. It smelled fine when I got it. It was kinky and whatever. The curls look nice. They were kind of uniform, but not like that weird stuck together synthetic hair uniform. It's been lasting me. I am going to take it off, so I decided to make a video about it today because I do want to make a video about another hair that I got that I wouldn't purchase again. So yeah, so I'm going to try this on and then put on the other one. But I like it. I really do. And then I have it glued down right now, which is not something I'm used to. This is only my second time gluing down a wig ever. I just wanted to try it out and I glued it down over the weekend. And it is now Wednesday, so the glue has stayed or whatever, but this is not a glue review, so yeah. I have not tried to straighten it. I wouldn't straighten it just because I don't ever want to lose the texture of it. I am going to keep the wig and I will wear it again. I might make some adjustments where I pluck the front and stuff and make it look all natural. But yeah. What else can I tell you guys about the wig? I don't know, girl. I don't know. I feel so weird doing like a hair review talking about my wig. Like 1B. Yeah, it's 1B. It's not like a jet black, but it's not too brown. The lace came as like it was brown, but it didn't have like it had like more of a neutral undertone, and I feel like I don't know what freaking undertone I have, but I got some type of undertone, so it needed to like change the color. I don't know how well the knots bleach because I didn't do that, but makeup has done a great job at hiding all the knots that I needed to hide. Yeah, shedding is pretty minimal. Obviously, it's curly hair. You try to comb through it, that's what's gonna happen. It's going to shed. But like if I run my hands through it, I'm not getting any shedding at all. I got one strand. So yeah. Overall, I would definitely recommend, I'm looking at my mirror behind the camera, I would definitely recommend this wig. I like it a lot. I feel like it was pretty true to length. Even now that I've cut it, it's still like right below the boob. Right below, well, I guess that's boob length. So, well, parts of it are, and then parts of it are like armpit length. But still, I feel like it's a pretty good length. Super natural. Super cute. I would give this, let's see. I'll give this a 7 out of 10. And I would only give it a 7 out of 10 because I feel like I don't want to do anything to my wigs ever. But like that's just me. I'm so lazy with my wigs. I'm not trying to do all of this. But it's such a cute wig. I feel like it looks so natural. Wig wear, honey. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button with the bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And stay tuned for the rest of the videos from 2021 to come.